Hey, hi everyone. This is Chandra B. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Light Stack Software Programmer Academy. Here, this basically session is all about unit test, why it is important. As I have said in my previous sessions, that I will cover like AI based tools. So here, this session is basically for the unit test with respect to the AI tools. What are the helpful for us while writing a code, while writing our programs, being a developer, tester, or any technical person who are working into the software and IT field into the application development. So let's get started. Here, this is basically, unit test. Always we have, before doing anything, if we are experienced, so we always think that why it is important. If we are a new, then again it comes in our mind that why it is important, why we are doing this. And trust me, guys, this is really such a way when we think like why this is important. Whatever we do, we write in our code why this logic is important, so that comes that yes, we are a programmer, we are a logical person, and we can make our future into this field in a very brighter manner and in a meaningful manner always. So there are a few points like why, what, and where this is basically unit test is for. The main point and the very first point is why, where I have mentioned that unit testing ensures clean modular code crucial for AI driven tools to detect bugs early at reduced costs, whereby unit test always like creates clean and structured code essential for AI tools. Like if I'll talk about AI tools, so I have in my previous session I have mentioned about GitHub. So I'll start here like GitHub Copilot, or we have from Amazon we have Code Whisperer to give you the accurate suggestions when we are using that while asking for some unit test for any of our module or any of our class, which prevent bugs early at early stage, and they also reduce development costs, which goes into the beneficial for the project managers, for the TLs, or for the company business, of course. For example, if I'll take, then if our code has a strong unit tests, tools like GitHub Copilot can better understand our code's intent and generate a smarter bug free completions, saving time and reducing costly error production. So here unit tests isolates and verify individual components early, allowing developers and like developers or programmers or the coders and AI tools like GitHub Copilot or Deep Code, they are to catch bugs before deployment. So this early validation not only reduces costs and improves reliability, but also ensures the code stays like modular and easier to refactor as AI assisted development scales. Here if I'll take example, then if we are building any microservice, so and when we are writing any unit test for any of their function or each of their function, of course, so AI tools like GitHub Copilot can better understand our intent and generate cleaner code for us. Later, when we refactor or extend features, the tests helps both us, means a developer, and AI to avoid regression, keeping our application or any of app which we are building to be stable without any manual rechecking. So that again save our time here. The second point is I have mentioned here unit testing boosts developer confidence by acting as living documentation and a safety net, which is enabling refactoring without breaking existing functionality. Which is simply, if I'll say here, then unit test act as a safety net, allowing us the coder programmers and AI tools like GitHub Copilot or the Code Whisperer, which is from Amazon, to safely providing us the safety or safely modification or extend code without causing regressions. They also serve as live documentation of how the code should behave, making collaboration easier and supporting test driven development, TDD, which we used to call it. So where writing tests upfront leads to cleaner design and more accurate AI assisted code generation. If I'll take any example, so if we are refactoring a payment module, for example, and have solid unit tests in place, so Copilot can suggest updated code that aligns with over any of our test expectations. This reduces the risk of breaking something silently, while our team can quickly understand the logic by reading the tests instead of digging through the code. So this is like mainly 2 points which we need to always taking care of, and which always comes in everyone's mind, that why it ensures that it is clean, or I mean why it is to use. So it is for the cleaning modeling, and just boost being a programmer or developer confidence what we are writing, whether it is correct or not. The second and the main is what always we do this, what we are doing. So what is unit test? The point number one I have mentioned, unit testing isolates and verifies small code units, ensuring clean structure that AI tools like GitHub Copilot or Code Whisperer, which can understand and build upon accurately. So here what I'm trying to tell you, a unit test is a small automated test that verifies a single function, method, or class in complete isolation from external dependencies such as databases, file systems, or APIs. Its like purpose is to ensure each component works exactly or transparently as intended under various inputs, valid or invalid, often using mocks or stubs, to simulate external interactions when our application will have. Second point is here I have mentioned in this second topic what that unit tests provide quickly reliable feedback that empowers basically AI assisted coding tools to catch errors early and streamline development, which simply my intention to write here that AI tools like I would say it is like for the streamlined development, like unit test executes rapidly, often in milliseconds, giving instant feedback to programmers, to us. And AI tools like GitHub Copilot or Code Whisperer from Amazon, which helps verify code changes in real time, reduce manual testing and prevent regressions as project scale. If I'll take any example, then when I will go to update a feature in any of my e-commerce application, so that is fast running unit tests combined with AI code assistance ensures that new changes don't break payment processing, speeding up development while maintaining reliability. That is at most important. Now the last is where to use it. So the point, very first point I have mentioned here, unit tests isolate and verify individual functions or classes, enabling AI tools like Copilot to generate precise, reliable code before integration. For example, if I'll take then when I'm developing any user authentication module, let's say, so unit tests validate each function like password hashing or token generation independently, and it allowing AI tools like GitHub Copilot to suggest accurate code snipped based on their well-defined tested components before they are integrated into the full of my system. The next is like unit test live alongside source code in test folder and run automatically in CI/CD pipelines. So enabling AI tools like GitHub Actions to detect issues early and improve code quality. Here I'll say I'll take an example in a CI/CD setup while doing it. When we pushes code, so unit tests run automatically, and AI powered tools like GitHub Actions flag any failures instantly and preventing faulty code from reaching the production, which is very utmost things which we being a developer we need to be aware of. Here if I will be moving to the tools for which this session I have created. So there AI tools assisted basically programmers by automating or suggesting unit tests, reducing manual coding, you know and improving their test quality and integrating well with various kind of development environments, and those environments making them valuable regardless of the programming language or any framework what we use while writing any of our code. So here, very first I'm taking the tool called GitHub Copilot. Although there are many tools, many AI tools in the market, but I have picked up some of the most highlighted and which I found more to be useful, or I have so much out of these, so much I have used, I have seen to be used. So I took the example from my practical experience since date. Very first, I took GitHub Copilot. Of course, I am from the Microsoft technology experience since my college days, so I took this. So GitHub Copilot, when we are writing a new function in a web application, as I have mentioned that it is developed by Microsoft and OpenAI. So GitHub Copilot here uses AI to suggest code and unit tests as you type, speeding up test writing by understanding your project's context and common patterns, which means when we are writing a new function in a web application, so GitHub Copilot suggests unit test code snipped in real time, which helping us quickly cover different input scenarios without starting from scratch. So the second is Amazon Code Whisperer. As you are observing, you guys are surely that I am keep on mentioning about Code Whisperer, which is from Amazon. This is again a AI tool to help us to write or generate a unit test for our the functions or our methods. So here I have mentioned that Amazon's AI tool helps generate unit tests and code completions automatically, making it easier to cover edge cases and write tests faster during development. Which is like, as we being a developer, as we build features in a cloud based service, Code Whisperer automatically generates unit tests and code completions, which simply is speeding up our own workflow and ensuring our tests handle edge cases. So this is again while we do any development of any class, any service, so this is again there to help us. Next is diff blue cover, which is basically, this is a AI tool automatically creates Java unit tests for your code, whoever use this Java, which boosting test coverage and saving time by writing reliable tests without manual effort. Which is simply saying here, if I have an existing Java application with little test coverage, so diff blue cover can automatically write unit test for my classes, saving weeks of manual effort and improving my code reliability. So here is the utmost important part for this diff blue cover. So GitHub, I have GitHub Copilot I have mentioned for the Microsoft, and diff blue I have mentioned for the Java, which are the most highlighted technologies and the older technology in the market of writing a code. Now the next is the fourth point is deep code, which is SNYK, SNYK you can say, which say simply, or we call it now, it is a part of SNYK, deep code, which scans entire of your code using AI to find bugs and security issues early, helping you improve your tests and maintain high quality code. Here I want to explain you that it basically scans our project's source code and alert us to potential bugs or security flaws, which help us to create a stronger unit tests that cover those risky areas at very early stage. Now the next is test im. Testing uses AI to automate test creation and maintenance, mainly for UI tests, but increasingly supports unit testing, helping keep your test up to date with less manual work. Here I mean to tell you, just to explain you, when our application UI frequently changes, any of our UI part, so testing uses AI to automatically update our tests and reducing the entire of our time which is spent fixing broken tests and keeping our testing process efficient. So this is all about the main and the highlighted 5 points which I have covered here. And the main the AI tools I have highlighted here, the 5 one. But out of this and after this, there are many AI tools in the market running and even into the production also, they will also gonna be launched soon. So GitHub Copilot, Amazon Code Whisperer, Diff Blue Cover, Deep Code SNYK, and Test. So these are the mainly one of the most popular AI tools. Now, in my next video, or if in this of my video, if you have any question related to unit test, I'll definitely cover it out. And for the question and answer, like for the interview preparation, also I'm planning to make it, because in the most of the interview sessions, most of the uh, interviewers are asking about unit test, why it is important, all those kind of questions. So that I'll also again cover here, the question and their answers with respect to the answers and how to map them. Soon I'll post that video. Along with that, there is surprise regarding AI, ML, or deep learning, deep search. I'm just preparing on those parts as well. Soon I'll show you. So thank you so much, guys. Thank you for your support. I'm really glad and really gladful and grateful to each one of you who all are watching my video. And kindly do like, subscribe, and share. And please follow my channel, and please share this channel to the people who are keen to learn new technology, because this is absolutely free till the date. And my focus is to be with the trending technology like AI into the existing one, to make you aware, so that you will get your job, you get your business as soon as possible in your own life or in your career. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you. This is Chandra B. Thank you. Take care. Bye bye.